Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: dental implants. In this video, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of how dental implants are done. So, let's dive right in. What are dental implants? Before we get into the procedure, let's quickly understand what dental implants are. Dental implants are artificial tooth roots that are placed into the jawbone to support a replacement tooth or bridge. They are a long-lasting solution for missing teeth. Initial consultation. The first step in getting dental implants is to schedule an initial consultation with a qualified dentist or an oral surgeon or a prosthodontist. During this consultation, the dentist will assess your oral health, take X-rays, and discuss your treatment options. Treatment planning. Based on the assessment, the dentist will create a personalized treatment plan for you. This plan will include the number of implants needed, the type of implant, and any additional procedures required, such as bone grafting. Implant placement. Now, let's move on to the actual implant placement. This is typically done in multiple stages. In the first stage, the dentist will make a small incision in the gum to expose the jawbone. Then, a hole is carefully drilled into the bone to place the implant. Osseointegration. After the implant is placed, a process called osseointegration takes place. This is when the implant fuses with the jawbone, creating a strong and stable foundation for the replacement tooth. Abutment placement. Once osseointegration is complete, the dentist will attach an abutment to the implant. The abutment acts as a connector between the implant and the replacement tooth. It is usually a small metal post that protrudes above the gum line. Crown placement. Finally, it's time for the crown placement. The crown is the visible part of the dental implant and is custom made to match the color, shape, and size of your natural teeth. The dentist will securely attach the crown to the abutment, completing the dental implant. Aftercare and maintenance. Congratulations! You now have a brand new dental implant and an overlying dental crown. However, it's important to take care of it properly. Regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups are essential to maintain the health and longevity of your implant and the restoration. And that's a wrap on our video about how dental implants are done. We hope you found this information helpful and informative. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more dental care tips. Thanks for watching.